So I'm gonna be upgrading my radio to a navigation unit. I know these things are super outdated, but I want that screen. Kind of like it better than that one. First thing I gotta do is remove this bezel. Oh, there's just 2 screws in there. Now that I have this popped out, I just have to do the connectors here and the connector for this. Right there. There you go, just setting that aside. Okay, after removing those, this should just slide out like that. 9-inch exposed connectors. I'll get those popped out. Well, got that out. I know I'm supposed to get the GPS antenna for this one, but I really don't see a use in it. But if I have to buy it, so be it. But I'm gonna clean it before I put it in here because it is disgusting. Got it cleaned, now time to install it. Now let's see if there's any signs of life before I screw it all in. Okay, I'm gonna finish screwing it in and I'm gonna... Well, I guess I got lucky there. Okay, screws are in, just need the bezel. Okay, now time to see. Let's go to FM. It works. Oh, fuck that shit. I don't want to get copyright strike. Hey, at least I know it works. I'm gonna set the time and mess around with it a little bit, so guess that's it for this video. I really love this navigation unit. More better than that one. So, later.